madlang people, land vlogger here. Welcome back to my channel. Hello my friends in YouTube world. Hello everyone. Ang init-init sa labas. You can see outside that it's really hot. The temperature is so hot. So you can see my outfit also. That I wear some very light clothes. Okay, in today's video I'm going to open some little gifts from me, given to me. A little unboxing. This one is a trimmer used to trim some eyebrows, used to remove some hair in your nose if you want. And there are some other things also, other gadget that included in this, but I still don't know how to use it. So join me in opening this one, and now we will find out later what is the use of this. But to those who are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, comments, share, and subscribe my channel. Okay, we will start with this item. This one is a trimmer, precision hair removal. Okay, we will open this one. The hell now is there is a trend now for our eyebrows, so there's a saying that kilay is life, so I think this is more safer than using other some, because sometimes I use puller to pull the hair or the razor. So I think this is more safer than those I used before. So I will open this. Okay, this one. It's so hot outside. Italy is so hot nowadays until August. So maybe also from a month from now, or 2 weeks or 3 weeks from now, we'll go to the mountains to smell the fresh air. So this is the trimmer. Have to open this one. I don't know how to. I think it needs some battery. But I don't have the battery now, so I think I cannot use this for demo because I don't have the batteries. I think it used like this. You have to do it like that. Okay, and also maybe for the underarm, I don't know yet. And so there is also another gadget that I have to attach here. So maybe this is used for your hair, for your legs. I think you can use this in your legs if you want to cut the hair of your legs, to remove the hair of your legs. But I don't think of removing my hair in my legs. Only I use this one. Maybe I only use this one, itong gadget na ito, for my eyebrow. This, like this. Okay, so this is already the trimmer. This is the trimmer. Okay, I'm going to put it again and put it here. And this one is a power bank. This is a little power bank that I have already power bank, but this one is given to me, so I just unbox this one, or I just open this item. So this is the power bank, and this one is, you cannot put inside this one, so it needs some USB, because some of the phone now, this one is an old phone where you can use to put this inside. But for the new phone, which I use for my video, you can use this USB. So I have to open. So this is it. You have to put it here. And this one, if you want to charge this kind of phone, you can use this. This is the old phone, and this is the power bank. But if you want to use this power bank to the new phone, which is much bigger hole, you can use this USB. So you just have to attach it here. That's it here. So you can put it here in this phone that I'm using now. Wait, wait, why can't? Here it can be done, but and so this one I have to okay, this one I put it here, and then I have to charge this here. Okay, and so this is all for now. This one I can also charge it here when the battery here is run out, so I have to charge this one. and the adapter. So guys, ito lang ang video ko ngayon. So see you in my next video, see you in my next vlog, but please don't forget to like, comments, and share, and most especially to subscribe. Okay guys, see you again, see you, bye bye.